If you're tired of propping up your phone or tablet with whatever's nearby, this stand is a simple fix that makes a big difference. It adjusts to your perfect angle, holds your device steady, and keeps your hands free whether you're watching videos, working, video calling, or even cooking with a recipe on screen. It's lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry. Just unfold it, set your angle, and you're good to go. Works with phones, tablets, e-readers, pretty much anything you use daily. Once you try it, it quietly becomes one of those things you won't want to be without. This tiny arcade-style boxing game is more fun than it has any right to be. Just pull back your finger and flick the little punch pad, watch the lights flash and the score jump like you're in your own mini tournament. It's part stress relief, part silly fun, and weirdly addictive once you get into it. Great for passing the time at your desk, competing with friends, or just giving your fingers something to do besides scrolling. It's playful, nostalgic, and guaranteed to get a few laughs. If your kid gets bored in 2 minutes, this little game might just save your day. It's a mini bowling set, but instead of rolling a ball, you're launching a frog. Yep, a frog. You press down, it jumps forward, and if you're lucky, it crashes right into the pins. It's silly, it's loud, and somehow it keeps everyone at the table entertained for way longer than expected. No batteries, no screens, just pure low-tech fun. And don't be surprised if the adults get just as competitive as the kids. For those who take their tech seriously, this all-in-one cleaning system is a game changer. From dust hiding beneath your keys to grime in your charging port or smudges on your camera lens, it's designed to handle the delicate details that most tools miss. Thoroughly, safely, and with precision. Tucked neatly into a compact, travel-ready case, it includes everything from soft and firm brushes to air blowers, precision tips, a microfiber cloth, a refillable spray bottle, and even tiny tools crafted just for earbuds, SIM trays, and headphone slots. Each item fits perfectly in its own compartment, keeping the whole kit organized, protected, and always ready to go. No more improvising with cotton swabs or paper clips. Whether you're a student, gamer, content creator, or someone who simply values spotless gear, this toolkit helps restore your devices to their best condition without hassle or risk. Take care of your tech the smart way, wherever you are. This grenade-shaped ceramic mug brings a bold edge to your daily coffee ritual. Crafted from durable ceramic, it's as functional as it is eye-catching. Whether you're at home or the office, it's the perfect mix of playful design and everyday practicality, sure to start conversations and mornings alike. If your room needs a little warmth and a bit of personality, this lazy duck might be exactly what's missing. Shaped like it gave up in the most adorable way, this soft-touch night lamp gives off a warm, calming glow, perfect for winding down. Tap to turn it on, tap again to adjust the brightness. It's simple, playful, and oddly comforting. The squishy silicone body adds to the charm, making it ideal for bedtime, reading, or just setting a cozy mood. Whether it's for your nightstand or a fun little gift, this duck adds light and a smile wherever it goes. Looking for a mug that's as hilarious as it is unique? This squatting, toilet-shaped ceramic mug is the ultimate conversation starter. With its playful design and surprisingly comfortable handle, it's perfect for serving coffee, tea, or even a bold smoothie. Whether you're gifting a friend or shocking your coworkers, this mug guarantees laughs with every sip.